That's a little...
Is it recording, yeah?
Yeah.
What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, it's been a long time. I have not posted for what, how many months since I think... What's the last video we did? Ollie's drive, didn't we, in the Lambo and M4? So yeah, we did that. You can speak, by the way, don't worry about that.
Sure.
People got my brother videoing in the background because my other videographer's not here anymore. Anyway, so yeah, updates. Got the Cooper and the M4 there. Yeah, people are asking what is going on the channel with both the cars. So I'll get into that car in a minute. Part one's going to be the Mini. So, got a lot to get through. It's all on my phone there. Have to get through some stuff. So basically, people said, what's the current modifications list on the Mini? This car's stuck. The only thing it's got different, my videographer comes over here and shows you guys, is these one-of-one racing stripes with a bit missing from the jet wash. Truly one of one. So yeah, so apparently this bit taken out here, that's aerodynamic, so that's unique. Apart from that, the car is totally bone stock. Anyway, right, what's happening with the car? It had bad coils, had an oil leak from one of the banjo washers, which is only like £1. What else did it have? The linkage, gearbox linkage, got really stiff, so I think there's something built up there that needs to be cleaned out. So yeah, but I think it needs probably its first mod by this time anyway. And what else needs to happen? The license plates. Let's show you that. Stock plates that the car came with. These I need to get rid of it. I don't know why, but usually on the cars we have private plates on them. And this car, I don't know why I haven't bothered. It's not that I don't have plates. I've got plenty of license plates, but I need to put one in the car, so I think it's time that it gets that. So yeah, so mod-wise, let's go around the back. Actually no, we'll start from the front. We're at the front, right? Start from the front, cricket. Mods, front bumper. This needs to go. And it's got this really annoying flap under here, that if you go over humps, the videographer gets it, you got it? Yeah, that scrapes, gets on my nerve, and it's like, you know, for that plastic, it's like a rubbery material. Anyway, bumper, probably a JCW bumper can go on. These side skirts, they need to go. Yeah, the car's filthy, by the way, don't judge me, I haven't washed it. The other car's not washed either. So these need to go anyway. The fenders or the arches, I've got plans for that. I'm not going to show you guys yet though. Rear bumper, same thing, JCW most likely with a nice diffuser to go there.
Hell?
Oh my days. Bust. I'm not even going to cut them, I'm going to leave it. JCW back bumper with a diffuser, exhaust, currently a stock. I've got plans for that too. To be fair, the exhaust, the back bumper, and even the spoiler up here, that is all going to be something that's going to be one of one. So the idea for this project is to make it a one of one. So for this to all come together, I've got to speak to, I think, Cream Developments or someone who does fabrications, because the ideas I got for that is, yeah, it's totally one off. So I'm not going to share that with you guys yet. You got to stay and watch the journey, see how it turns out. So that's the mods. Let's start the car up. Let's show people what it sounds like. Whew, it's cold, bro. Still got this, right? People, yeah, I forgot. Suspension. That is a big gap. So in this suspension or coilovers, most likely springs, because I don't know if I'm gonna track the car. Maybe not. What else? I thought someone was coming in. What else we got? What else we got? The interior, actually. Let's show them the interior. You guys have probably seen this enough. But anyway, interior without smashing the camera with the door. All of this stuff, everything here that you see that's like, well, what's that? It's like plastic. It looks silver, but it's plastic. Not in focus. There we go. Right, so anything that is here, that's like plastic or whatever. Anything you see here, even this would be alright if it was like carbon, but it looks like racing flags or something, which is decent, but it's not gonna stay. Got something planned for the interior that I haven't seen done anyway yet, so I won't tell you too much about that. And then the whole car, we're gonna need a wrap for it. Definitely needs a wrap, so it can't stay in this white. I don't really like it, it's more like a cream colour. So yeah, we're gonna have to wrap that completely. Yes, people, that's the car. I don't know if this is gonna stay because I'm doing this on a DJI. Anyway, that is the car there in the back. My videographer, the guy looks like, well, he's security actually as well. Am I even allowed to tell them who you are? Yeah. No. Yeah? Yeah. So it's my brother there, but he's also security for the #1 agency in the world. I'm not going to disclose much more than that and who his clients are, because I don't want to get killed or demonetized. But yeah, so that is the car there. We're going to give you guys a start up, slight rev, and I might give it a little drive just for you guys to see how it is. Damn, this thing's heavy. You need to hold that, you're the henchman. 3, 2, 1, and start up. Nothing major. It's quiet as hell as well. Kind of quiet. Pops a little bit though, it's not that bad. Sweet, bro. Wait, this car park is free, right? Yeah, it's recording, I can see it. Peoples! Quick drive in the little go-kart. We're gonna hit this gate. No, we're not. Psych. Right, you might want to aim ahead, bro, if you can. Show them the dash and the speed and all that good stuff. Guys, small drive. First thing you guys will notice when you drive a Mini, it is stiff as hell. So yeah, people, like I was saying, we just have to adjust the camera. The car is mad stiff when you drive a Mini, and unless it is warmed up at low speeds, they're quite clunky. We're going right. Yeah, people, this is not the third take because the camera didn't just mess up twice and flip out on us with the DJI. What's it sending me? Yeah, people, indicators. Are you gonna wait for me? Smart driver, I like that. Thank you. So yeah, people, yeah, the car is mega stiff. It's like a little go-kart. The car's light, it's nimble, give you guys some motion sickness. Yeah, it's not bad, but yeah, it's basically like a little go-kart and it is very, very stiff when you're driving it. R8, they are nice, I can't even lie, and they're good money right now, they look good. Damn, anyway, back to the M4 in a minute. So yeah, people, a little spin, the car's not loud, like I said, it's stock, so it's pretty much like a normal Mini, but this is only a small drive to show you guys what it's like. And it is a very small car. If you look in the back, there's practically no space. The boot doesn't even exist either. Let's get back. Oh my gosh, Minis have terrible steering locks. Absolutely terrible. Alright, we're back quickly. Let's grab the other car. Hit the pole. Boop. Alright, we're good. And people, that is the Mini spin. Short drive for you guys. Nothing proper, I didn't hook up the GoPro. It's just an update video anyway, because I've been missing for like how long? And people are telling me they thought COVID got me. I got a message on Instagram yesterday of someone saying they thought COVID got me. Man, COVID can't touch me. What's this? Man's healthy, immune system. Sure. So people, that was a little drive of the Mini. Next time I'll do a GoPro thing properly. But anyway, small spin, small update, what's going on with that car. Stock at the moment. Haven't had much time to do anything with it at all, to be fair. Been busy setting up other stuff. But yeah, it's got a big plan, big build plan for this car. Not going to tell you guys what, but I said a few of the parts I'm going to change on the car. And then obviously we're going to top it off with a nice wrap. So yeah, anyway, next car will be the M4. But you have to watch part 2 for that. So guys, like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.